Check out this blue beauty behind me, 10th month 1985 HJ60. And Luke is the new owner of this one. Actually, he's not a new owner, he's had it a while. He bought this back in October and just missed out on bringing this to Clex. He couldn't quite get it delivered in time to come to the Landcruiser show. So it's been booked in for a while now. It's the new year, he's got his turn. Luke is going on a mad trip across the Nullarbor next week. So we've been right through this vehicle. We did a 3-hour report on it. Every little safety issue, mechanical issue on this thing has been gone over. Now we've been right through it, swivel hubs, rear brake assemblies, and we've got unis. It's done a full service. We've sorted out some leaks on the gearbox. This thing is ready to do the Ks, across the Nullarbor to WA, where Luke is going to spend a few months on a bit of a working holiday. He's got tyres to put on it. These things are 2014. They're definitely not going to cross the Nullarbor. This is his next stop. He's going straight to the tyre shop to get, and he wants our advice on what tyres to get. So we'll be talking to him when he turns up. This thing's ready to leave today. It's actually in really good condition. There is a bit of rust around the body on this one. He's going to look after when he gets back from WA, when he gets back to Queensland, but this thing's ready to go. It's really exciting. What a trip. I'm very, very jealous. But let's start up the front with this one. ECB steel alloy. Can't really tell, but it's definitely going to knock some roos over if they smash into them. We got some spotties and an aerial. There's not too much going on the outside of this. The bonnet is a little bit faded. It could do with a trip to Turner's maybe. Give it a little bit of a polish and a paint correction. We've got a simple roof rack up the top there, just because he's going to be loading all his stuff. We'll go inside and talk about what he's doing in there, but everything's going to have to be up the top there. We've got a nice big awning on the other side for when he's crossing the Nullarbor and needs some shade, because damn, it gets hot out there. Nothing else. Look, we've got some alley side steps, but other than that, this thing outside is pretty stock standard. It's even got the old decals still weathered. They've probably been on there since the dawn of time. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Check this out. If you wanted to know what they look like back in 5th month 1985, then this is it. There is no modifications under here whatsoever. The only thing that's going on here is we've got some old pacemaker extractors, exhaust extractors here. But it is just clean as a whistle. Just check it out. There's not much else to say. Shut up on it. Clean as a bloody whistle, I say. Just check it out in here. This is 1985 all over. Brown interior. And what I do like, you can see this thing's been up the beach already. We've got some sand here on the vinyl floor. Now these vinyl floors are really good. If you spend a lot of time on the beach or you're muddy or whatever, you can just hose this out, blow it out. Nothing gets caught in the carpet. It's really, really practical interior. So we've got the vinyl seats as well in the front here. And going back, you'll see that you've got the seats folded forward. So I think he's got some plans for some drawers or a bed or sleeping arrangements or something like that. So Luke did say that him and his mate are going to be swagging across the Nullarbor. So this is just going to be for storage, fridge, food, all that kind of stuff. You see, they got the craft kit out. They got the hand grabs up here. Look like he must have got his little sister involved to make those up. And yeah, other than that, we got it's got an absolutely lovely roof lining in it. Everything's where it should be. The only thing out of place here is a GME radio here. We've got the obligatory stubby cooler on the 4-wheel drive stick here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really is. There's vehicles like this. It's so pure. There isn't isn't that much to say about them. Future plans. We said he's going to get some tyres on this thing in the next couple of days, and when he gets back, he's going to be cutting the rust out of this. But he does want to keep it as stocko as possible. Luke really likes the stock look. So do I. This thing's awesome. It's in good hands now with Luke. 10th month, 1985, HJ60.